This video I am starting next chapter, that is coordinate geometry. So coordinates geometry is solved in Cartesian plane. Graph paper is Cartesian plane. So we will draw perpendicular line in graph paper. So vertical line is called y axis. Otherwise you can say y-axis, and horizontal line x dash is called x-axis. So this is horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. And wherever they meet means where y-axis perpendicular on x-axis, that is called origin. So we can call it 0 or O, both. Okay, now, so thus we got 4 quadrants. This is called XY quadrant, XY quadrant. This is called X dash, minus X is also there. So you can call it X dash Y axis, otherwise minus X, because it is left side of number line. So we can call it minus x also. So minus x y quadrant, it is minus x minus y quadrant, and it is x minus y quadrant. Okay. So number which are represented on x axis are called abscissa, and number which are represented on y axis are called ordinates. Okay, when we together write abscissa and ordinates, they together called coordinate. So number on x-axis abscissa, number on y-axis ordinates, together they are called coordinate. Okay, so this is first quadrant is plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, fourth quadrant plus minus. So here I am taking few examples for 3 2 coordinates, minus 2 minus 4 coordinate, minus 1 0 and 2 minus 3. I have to represent these coordinates in this graph paper. Okay, Cartesian plane. So 3 2, 3 units 1 2 3, and 2 units in y axis, y axis. मैंने अभी बताया जो फर्स्ट सब आगे एब्सिसा ही रहता है और हम उसको x एक्सिस में ही रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो 3 2, so 1 2 3 and 1 2. So suppose it is A point, B point, C point and D point. So here this is, we will write 3 2, this is point A. Okay, now next is, okay, I am writing it quite bigger. So 3 2, its point A. Now next coordinate is minus 2 minus 4, that is B point. Okay, so we will move minus 2 here. Minus both abscissa and ordinate are in minus, so it will come in third quadrant. So minus 3, this is minus 3, and here 1 2 3 4, here it is minus 4. So okay, I am making it minus 3. Okay, so it will become minus 3 minus it is a B point. Now third one is -1 0. ये माइनस का है, ये प्लस का है. Abscissa minus and ordinate plus. So it will fall in second quadrant. -1 and 0. -1 y-axis तो 0 है, so it will come here only. This is point C. -1 and 0. I am taking another example. -4 plus 2. So it will become more clear. -4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in x-axis and -2 in y-axis. So this point is E, and we will write -4 and 2. This is 2 and it is point D. E. Sorry. Okay. Now fourth coordinates are 2 minus 3. Abscissa positive and ordinate negative. 2 minus 3. So plus minus. So it will fall in fourth quadrant. Okay. So 2 here and -3. Okay. So this is point D and coordinates are 2 minus 3. Okay. Now another example I am explaining in same figure, that if any point is located here, it is F. So how will we find out coordinate of this point? So coordinates of this point will be 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So coordinate of this point will become 1 and 9. Okay. Now any number, any point is given. Suppose it is given here, it is G point. So its coordinate will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See? Okay. So it will be -7. 5 minus 7. Okay. Now another example of this is, if one point is given here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -5 and it is -7, -8, -9. So -9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if suppose it is point H. So its coordinate will become -5 and -9. Okay.